Hello, this is Captain Johnson with Elizabethton Police Department. As of right now, I'll give you a little update. We have pretty much every officer that we employ at multiple sections across the city. We've evacuated most houses that are close to the river. Right now we're continuing rescuing people with our up-armored vehicles. We've got Swiftwater Rescue, 3 boats. We got another one just deployed, Kingsport Swiftwater Rescue. But right now we're still getting calls of people stranded in their homes. Earlier we tried to get everybody out. Some people would, some people wouldn't. There's still a ongoing problem right now, but we're doing our due diligence to try to save as many lives as we can.